Mexico is very, very proud of their craftsmanship because it's part of our identity, it's part of our cultural heritage. My name is Dinorah Schulte, and we are here in my workshop, Manufactura in Laguna in Mexico City. Here we are focusing on manufacturing and redesigning the way of making. We mostly do 3D printing with ceramics and biomortars. We are using ceramics because here we have one of the oldest factory of ceramics and pottery in Mexico City. We are working with biomortars that made from food waste because in Mexico, 64% of our waste are food waste and also organic waste, doing bioceramic with eggshell, with sawdust, with corn waste, and nowadays with coffee waste. This is the waste that we have here in Laguna. So I'm trying to study my context and then reuse it. Thanks to digital fabrication and to 3D printing, I learned to use it with the additive manufacturing. And robotics also have a lot of benefit. They optimize the time of producing. And for me, it's also an opportunity because you can personalize and do bespoke elements for architecture, design, and art. I moved to Switzerland to study my MIS in digital fabrication and robotics. Well, Switzerland is the opposite country of Mexico. The differences that we have is also a complementation of both societies. What I always think about the MIS is work in teams. I always collaborate with experts with concrete, with biocomposites, with ceramic. We try to always have a relationship and conversation with architects, with artists, with designers, with a lot of thinkers. The last year, a lot of relationship with archaeologists, because we also relate, like for example, this material is how our pre-Hispanic cultures, they used to do concrete in Teotihuacan, in Chichen Itza. We are doing innovation based on tradition. We don't want to replace, because a lot of people feel threat that we are going to replace with machines our craftsmen. We started 700 years ago, so we have a lot of layers of history that we cannot and we don't want to delete it. Mexicans are trying to not just replace the heritage, no, they are trying to evolve the heritage. They preserve the past, but now we are also trying to transform but also produce new craftsmanship. And for me, it was very important to be not an enemy of the craftsmen and the work by hand. The future is going to be made by hands, but also in collaboration with technology and with machines.